Hey buddy, took quite a spill back there. Glad you're finally awake. It's a good thing you had this. Let's get you patched up. Hey, check this out. This is the high-speed gear ReFlex Leg Rig. It's part of the ReFlex IFAK system. It's another option for carrying your ReFlex med roll. It's got adjustable retention. It's got elastic loops on the front for chem lights or Sharpies or decompression needles. It's got a loop panel for patches. You can attach a tourniquet to it and it'll hold your medical shears. If you already have one of these ReFlex medical rolls, you can get the carrier on its own, or they're available as a kit. If you want to learn more, check out highspeedgear.com.